When the owners or directors of 24 successful companies gather in the city centre, it must be something important. Is it a conference, a seminar, or a big business deal? Not even close. The businessmen gathered to play cards. But they're not gambling. They pay to play Belot. It's a 32-card trick-taking game popular all over Europe. The gathered money is given to charity. That's the purpose of the Belot club Velebit. The club president, Pil, explained why they gathered today. It's the traditional tournament of the Pago company. All the participation money will be used to buy a special vehicle for paraplegic athletes. 15 years ago, the first such action was started by businessmen. Now it's a businessman league with its Grand Slam tournaments just like in tennis. Why do they play Belot, or Bela, as it is called in Zagreb? I've been playing Bela since I came to Zagreb as a student. If you love this city, you will love Bela too. Although Belot is played all over Europe, its capital is Zagreb. They say that 100,000 citizens play Belot every day. It's all about fun and friends, says Zoran from the Croatian Football Federation. Bela has been played in Zagreb for a century. The game itself was invented 150 years ago by a Dutchman called Belot, who lived in France. Aside from Croatia, Belot is very popular in Germany. Their tournaments include as many as 2,000 pairs. Such a tournament made the glory of the club president. There was a tournament in Germany with 10,000 pairs. It lasted 2 years. I won the tournament with my partner without losing a single game. As a true champion, Pil doesn't play Belot on tournaments anymore. He came, saw and conquered. But he will always play Belot out of love.